In this video, we are going to resolve an error that occurs when we try to use the OpenAI API in a .NET application with a recent model and we try to use tooling. For example, as we can see here, we have this C# application and we're trying to use GPT 5.6 Terra. Now this happens with Terra, Luna, or Sol, it doesn't matter. And the error is that here we're trying to configure tooling, but if we actually try to use a tool, and remembering that a tool means that we allow the AI to invoke C# functions of our application. Let me say, what's the weather like in Santo Domingo? In my case, I have a tool, a function, that allows me to consult a web API that has this information. But as you can see here, we have an exception. It says, function tools with reasoning effort are not supported for GPT 5.6 Terra in chat completions. To use function tools, either use responses or set reasoning effort to none. The easiest way to solve this problem is to come here and say, oh, reasoning, and then new reasoning options, effort to none, and that's actually it. With this, we're good to go. Control F5. Now let's repeat the same prompt. Let me drag this over here and let me say, what's the weather like in Santo Domingo? And we're going to see that it is sunny. Therefore, as you can see, we fixed the issue. Thank you.